Imagine a world where your chores practically do themselves, no more hours wasted scrubbing, sorting, or organizing. Instead, you have a personal assistant, not a human, but an AI-powered tool that takes care of the little things so you can focus on what really matters. Sounds futuristic. Well, the future is already here. AI is revolutionizing the way we handle household tasks, transforming mundane, time-consuming chores into effortless experiences. From smart vacuum cleaners that learn the layout of your home to AI-driven grocery shopping assistants that predict what you need before you even realize it, the possibilities are endless. Today, we'll dive deep into how AI tools are changing the way we clean, cook, shop, and manage our homes. By the end of this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Cleaning made effortless. Let's start with the most time-consuming chore of all, cleaning. No one enjoys spending their weekends mopping floors or scrubbing bathrooms, but AI-powered cleaning tools are making these tasks easier than ever. Take robot vacuum cleaners, for example. Devices like the Roomba, Roborock, and Dreambot are more than just simple vacuum cleaners. They use AI to map your home, detect obstacles, and even learn which areas need extra attention. Some models can switch between vacuuming and mopping without human intervention, ensuring your floors are spotless with minimal effort. Smart kitchens, AI for cooking and meal prep. Cooking is another daily chore that AI is making significantly easier. From meal planning to actual cooking, AI tools are streamlining the process in ways we never imagined. AI-powered meal planning apps like Mealime, Yumly, and Whisk take the guesswork out of deciding what to eat. Based on your dietary preferences, past meals, and available ingredients, these apps generate personalized meal plans and grocery lists. Some even suggest recipes based on what's already in your fridge, reducing food waste. Smart kitchen appliances take things even further. AI-enabled ovens, such as the Brava Smart Oven, can recognize different foods and automatically adjust the cooking temperature and time for perfect results. Smart coffee makers learn your preferences and prepare your favorite brew just the way you like it. And AI-powered blenders can adjust blending speed based on the consistency of your ingredients, ensuring smooth results every time. Laundry and clothing care. Doing laundry might be one of the least favorite chores, but AI is making it more manageable. AI-powered washing machines can detect the fabric type, level of dirt, and weight of your clothes, adjusting settings automatically for optimal cleaning. Brands like LG and Samsung have introduced washers that use artificial intelligence to determine the best washing cycle, reducing water and detergent waste while ensuring spotless clothes. But it doesn't stop at washing. AI ironing robots like Effie can automatically press and steam multiple garments at once, eliminating the hassle of ironing. AI-powered wardrobe assistants, such as Samsung's AirDresser, use steam and air to refresh clothes, removing odors and wrinkles without the need for washing. And if you're someone who struggles with outfit choices, AI styling apps like Stylebook or Cladwell analyze your wardrobe and suggest outfit combinations based on weather, occasion, and fashion trends. Laundry and clothing care are becoming smarter, reducing both the time and effort required to keep your wardrobe in top shape. AI in home organization and maintenance. Keeping your home organized is an ongoing task, but AI-powered solutions are making it much easier to maintain a clutter-free, well-managed space. Smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple's Siri can help you manage your daily schedule, set reminders for household chores, and even control smart home devices. Want to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, or lock the doors without getting up? Just ask your AI assistant. For home maintenance, AI-based security cameras and smart locks can monitor your home in real time, alerting you to potential security threats. AI-powered leak detection systems can notify you of plumbing issues before they become expensive problems. And robotic lawnmowers can keep your yard perfectly trimmed with minimal supervision. There are also AI-driven inventory management apps that help you keep track of household supplies. These apps scan barcodes and monitor usage patterns, ensuring you never run out of essentials like paper towels, batteries, or cleaning products. The future of AI-powered chores. As AI technology continues to evolve, household chores will become even more automated. Imagine a future where your home adapts to your needs in real time, a self-cleaning house that monitors air quality, adjusts temperatures, and even restocks supplies automatically. AI-powered robots will likely become even more advanced, capable of performing a wider range of tasks with minimal human intervention. Future smart homes will integrate AI seamlessly into every aspect of daily life, making chores nearly invisible. While AI can't completely replace human effort just yet, it's clear that it's already transforming the way we handle chores. The more we integrate AI into our daily routines, the more time we free up for the things that truly bring us joy. Chores are a part of life, but they don't have to control your life. With AI tools taking care of the mundane, you have the freedom to focus on what truly matters, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and living life to the fullest. The future of household management is smarter, more efficient, and more convenient than ever before. So why not embrace AI and make your everyday tasks easier?